Hello YouTube, hope you're well and I hope you can hear me. Today is a bit of a different sort of video. As you can see from my history, I've probably failed all my prop from challenges quite often. I've had a few successes, but I've not been able to maintain those successes. And I've come to the realization that the only reason I passed some of his challenges was because I was following set rules, and the only reason I failed was because I FOMOed into trade. I was over trading, and I didn't follow set rules. So, what I've come to decide now is to challenge myself a bit more to say, okay, my intention now is not really to pass the challenges, but to maintain the account for at least 100 days, whilst being disciplined with my trading and not over trading. So that's what I intend to do now, to show you what the outcome will be, whether or not I'm going to pass or fail, or not be able to keep the account for 100 days. So that's what I intend to do now, and hopefully, and I want you to follow along with this journey, to see whether or not it's going to be of benefit to you. If it is, like and subscribe. I'm no guru. This is for educational purposes only. If you can learn from my mistakes, that'll be a good thing for you. It'll be a plus. This channel would have achieved what it set out to achieve something. So in this case now, I'll put my sell limit order here. And what I normally do is just go into a trade um, on a market basis. So just put in a market order, and as you well know, that just goes against you all the time. So rather than do that, one of the discipline aspect of my trading now would be to allow the market to come to me rather than me forcing a trade. So my intention is to always use a limit order rather than forcing the trade, rather than using a market order. If my price is triggered, fine. If it's not triggered, I'm not bothered. The idea of this challenge for me is not to make money, but to sustain and maintain the account for at least 100 days. If doing so allows me to become profitable, all fine and good. But my main goal here is to sustain and maintain this account for a period of 100 days. And any good thing that happens from it. And if nothing good happens from it, then that's fine. I might pass or fail this challenge because of my own lack of discipline when it comes to trading. So to be completely transparent with you, but I know that when I've been able to exercise some form of discipline following my trading rules, and not forcing trade and things like that, I've been successful. And I want to try and replicate that, not some of the times, but all of the times now, rather than forcing trades. And I want to share this with you, and hopefully it'll be something that you can benefit from. So I've already put a limit order here at 19394. On my take profit, let's see. See, there isn't any. So the last time the market was at this level was around here. So this would be my take profit if my orders get hit, somewhere around here. And if that fails, or if that's surpassed, then it'll be somewhere here where there's a bit of support. So that's the general idea for this trade. Um, I've entered into a short. Maybe I've missed it already. I don't know, because it looks like it's just tumbling down. Um, might be. So look. That's on the 4 hour, 5 minutes. So hopefully I can get my entry price to get hit. I think what I'll do, I'll move it down here. That's not FOMO, that's my
order filled.
That's my 1 minute challenge. Okay. So my videos won't be long because the idea is not to overtrade. If I overtrade, then the videos will be long. So the idea is not to trade for hours. I've already broken my rules, and one of my rules is not to move my stop loss. But obviously, I've moved my stop loss already. But I won't move it again. I'll leave it. I'll leave it at that. So let's see where price wants to go. You can see as well here. There's a channel formation. If price breaks above this channel, which I think it already has. Okay. Okay, one of my rules is that once price goes against me, I should be exiting the trade straight away, not hoping that it'll go in my favor. So right about now, I should exit this trade because it's going against me already. I shouldn't be in this trade, but it is still within the channel, and the overall direction of the market is a bear market, so we're trending downwards and not upwards. So the general direction, in my opinion, is right. I shouldn't go against the trend. So with that in mind, I think my profit target should be around here. So my profit target should be. Okay. I'll move my stop loss lower. So I'm not willing to risk that much. As you can see, I'm already in profit today by about 1,418. So if I lose this trade, that's part of my rule. I will not trade again today. Maybe I'll take one more trade and that'll be it. I won't take any more trades. I'll call it a day and just observe the market rather than being a participant. One of the things that I've come to also realize is that not taking a trade is also a strategy. Not taking a trade is also a trade in itself, because it just means that you're not losing money, you're not blowing your account. So that's one thing I'm learning as well, to observe the market rather than always being in the market, because there is no benefit for me to always being in the market. It's beneficial for me to take trades so that I've got a higher probability of success, and not trades that are going to fail anyway. So that's my psychology for now, to stay focused, not to overtrade, to follow my plans, and to observe the market if I need to be, and not just placing trades whenever I feel like, without any sort of thought process behind it. So that's the plan for now. Stay in the trade, uh, move my stop losses, take some profit, no matter how small. I've been listening to um, a guy by the name of Tom Hogard. He's one of those, you know, I don't know, successful trader. I don't know. I mean, I can't verify what he's saying, but his strategy is to not to move his stop loss, and to allow profits to run. But what I find is, sometimes when I allow profits to run, it goes against me. So, but he says he never moves his stop loss, he never changes his plan. Um, but that I find hard to sort of follow, because no one ever. Um, it's, I think, in my opinion, it's good to take some sort of profit when you can, rather than allow the market to go against, because nobody knows what the market would do. He also says that technical analysis, as good as they are, they cannot predict the outcome of the market. Nobody knows, um, how it's going to happen, or what's going to happen during the trade, and you know. But one thing that he said that's very interesting to me is that, as soon as the trade goes against you, you get out. Don't waste your time in the market. If it goes against you, get out straight away. So if I'm following that, I should be out of it. Well, it's going for me now. It's going in my favor now. So what I'll do, I think I'll just take some profit, or at least go break even, at least. So see if we can follow this all the way down. This area here might be a problem, because there's some sort of resistance there. So if it goes through that area, it means that, well, probably will go down. So we've broken that area to the downside. So currently I'm in profit about 300, 400. So I'll move this halfway. Move that halfway. It'll probably hit my stop loss now, or not. So it's going down in my favor. So now I'm in what's called a free trade. So I don't really have to do anything just now. I'll just allow the trade to go wherever it wants to go, and then let's see what happens. What's called a free trade, so I don't really have to do anything just now. So what I'll do, it's gonna go against me in a minute now, so, or maybe not. So this area here, this median line, is also an area where price would normally respect. So I'll do, before it goes against me, if it does, I'll move my stop loss a little bit downwards, and that'll be it. Okay, so now we've passed that midpoint. So see if we can break further below that midpoint. If we break further below it, that means there's a possibility that we might go further down this market. We have broken it with some sort of conviction. See if the bulls can pull it back again, or the bears will take it all the way down to that line over there. So far I've locked in a profit of £510. Commissions haven't been taken out yet. By the time commissions get taken out, I'll probably be left with maybe £450, $450, not pounds, sorry. So by the way, for transparency purposes, this is a practice account. It's not a proper challenge. It is a practice account, but I do have other accounts, as you can see. What I do now, once I've made any profit, I lock my account, because what I find is when I overtrade, I give back all my profits. So now, once I've made any profits, you can see today I made $492. In this one, $322. In this one, I think $177. So what I do is, as soon as I make any form of profit, I lock my account and walk away. Unfortunately, that's not possible for a practice account, so I can't really do that for a practice account. So, but for now, following my plan is working out. Following the set rules, sticking to it, moving my stop loss down to lock in some sort of profit, holding the trade. Hopefully, it hits my profit target. If it doesn't, I've made something and I can walk away. Proud of myself, proud of what I've achieved today. And tomorrow is another day of trading. I don't have to trade 24/7 like some people on YouTube do. Obviously, they're I don't know if you can call them professionals. Um, that's for them to do, but I think it's very sort of misleading for people to trade for hours and hours. And if you're learning, you think that's the way to go about it. You don't have to do this for hours and hours and hours for you to be profitable. I think being on the chart for hours has a detrimental effect on your overall account. So obviously spend time on learning the charts and things like that, which is good, but be wise not to sort of lose your account. So
order filled.
So I'm out of that trade now. I'm out of the trade. So I've made a profit of 107. No, not 710 pounds. So today I've made. It's the last trade. So just £700 I've made today in terms of my practice. So that's it. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm going to leave this as it is, because if I do, I know that I'm going to, give back my profit. So that's it for me today. So this technically is my day one for this trade. This is day one for me, and so that's it. From now on, I just sit on my hands, don't carry any trades, just observe the market. Remember, not trading is also a strategy. Observing the market is a strategy. Um, so this is day one of my challenge, following strict rules, um, entering trades with strict discipline, and not over trading. So stop trading for me for now. Okay. So if you've benefited from watching me, um, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been doing this for a long time. Don't have that many subscribers and don't have that many views. Um, you know, I'm not doing it for that. I'm doing it for my educational for my own education, because I can sort of go back to my child and see what I've done wrong, but also sharing that experience with anybody that cares to know, or that wants to see. So yeah, that's it. I'm done for the day. No more formal, no more trading. That's it for me. Thanks for watching and goodbye. See, right now I'm tempted to take another short, um, and basically because price is still within this channel, but I won't because I want to follow my plan. Because every time I've sort of over traded and things like that, I'll always give back my profit, and I don't want to do it. So I'm just gonna watch this. I'm just gonna watch it. Um, to be disciplined, my disciplined plan is to take one trade or two trades a day. I've already taken more than my fair share of trades today. So altogether, I've taken 19 trades. I've taken 19 trades already today. I think that's enough. I don't want to give back any of the profits that I've made today. Um, if you want to take this trade, you can, but just bear in mind that it could go against you. Um, it could go against you, but it is sort of respecting the boundaries of the channel. So it might be a good it might be a good short entry to take. So, but I'm not going to take it. I'm going to be I'm going to be trying to be disciplined and just ignore it, walk away. As I said, not taking a trade is also a valid trading strategy. So I choose to exercise um, the discipline that I'm supposed to be following, so I don't lose my account too early. So I'm not going to enter this trade. I'm going to leave it. But it is going. If I had entered, I would have been at least 300 in profit or a bit more. But I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to enter this trade. In fact, I'm going to stop streaming now. So anyway, if there's anybody out there apart from myself watching this video, if you're going to be watching it in the future, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I think everyone's here because they want to become financially independent, and one of the ways that you can become financially independent is to do things like this. It comes at risk, and I found to my detriment that you know it's sometimes a high price to pay because I've blown so many accounts, but it's part of the learning process, and I've learned a lot about myself. I'm learning a lot about myself. I'm learning that I'm not disciplined, and I think in life in general, you have to be disciplined to make any form of progress in life. Um, there is a responsibility on my part to be disciplined. I think trading, if it's taught me one thing, is that there is no success without discipline. So I want to succeed at this, and I choose to be disciplined. I want to be disciplined, and I want to exercise that discipline in trading and in life in general, and hopefully I'll be able to achieve it. Um, to follow my strict rules and strict plans, not to overtrade. Um, I'm not gonna take any more trades today. I'm going to leave it, walk away, and say goodbye, God bless, and hopefully catch you tomorrow. Take care. Goodbye.